snow cover on last night, and I'm really glad I did. The drive to the gym was pretty scary. It was like pretty blizzardy and the roads weren't completely plowed. I've just been at the gym for about an hour. I had like 1.5 inches of snow that had fallen on my windshield just in the past hour. It's crazy out here. Just got done shoveling. I got back from the gym and Aaron and I got to work shoveling and plowing the driveway. There was at least a foot, maybe more. So he's out there still with the snowblower finishing up. We have a really long driveway, so it takes a while. I shoveled off the sidewalk, and I went over to my grandparents who live like right next door, and I shoveled off their sidewalk. It's like really coming down. It's very winter wonderlandy out there. This coat is amazing. I was so warm and cozy the whole time. Kept all the snow out of my face. I really love having a giant coat like this. Let me show you what it looks like outside. This is our backyard. Aaron is still out there snow blowing and it's still snowing. I guess it's maybe not showing up super well on camera. So fun. Today definitely would have been a snow day. The funny thing is I had off of work today anyway, because of parent-teacher conferences today. I don't have to work today, regardless of the snow. And neither do the kids. The kids also had off of school, so it's like sort of a snow day for them, but not really, because they were gonna get off anyway. I was gonna meet Cecilia for coffee this morning. I would have left about like 30 minutes ago if I was meeting her. But we texted and I was like, I'm not comfortable driving in this. I drove a bit this morning when there was like no cars out, and it took me like 30 minutes to get to a place that should have taken me like 10. I think I'm gonna make waffles and hopefully I'll have them done by the time Aaron comes in from snowblowing. I'm gonna use my tiny little waffle maker. I have a big one that does like the 4 squares, but this one is so fast and easy. I just like it better. So I'm gonna whip up some waffles. It is a little bit later. I am heading out to go meet Cecilia at a coffee shop. She said that the roads are plowed now and the snow has stopped and there's actually a little bit of blue sky peeking through. I just took a shower and I will catch up with you at the coffee shop. How's Goodrich on this snowy day?
Goodrich was good. I didn't know if I was going to make it here this morning. I was going 20 miles an hour. The roads were not plowed. But we made it here and we're having a good time. So praise the Lord.
This is actually my favorite, when all the trees are hanging onto their snow like that and the sky is blue. It's like magical out here. Hey vlog, I finished editing my vlog from yesterday and then I came downstairs to make a grilled cheese with some tomato soup, and I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this because I've been craving it since I woke up. I just finished another coloring page. I like this one a lot better than the one that I did yesterday. Hey vlog, I was just spending some time editing this vlog that you're currently watching to kind of get a head start on it since I have the day off. I need to stop doing that and start doing some work. I am about to do some calculus schoolwork. But before that, I bought a cat advent calendar, but it is a 12-day advent calendar, and I never know when you're supposed to do that, if you're supposed to start it on December 1st or start it on December 12th. So I was thinking that maybe I would do one every other day, but then I just kind of forgot about it. Fish is here, and I'm gonna open up this advent calendar and give him some of the toys. This is what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna open up this one. What is it? Take it out. Look at this. He's confused. All right, day 2. Oh, it's like a finger trap. I don't know why. Oh, maybe it's not a finger trap actually. What do you think, Fish? Do you like it? He's biting it. Merry Christmas, kitty. Okay, yeah. 12-day cat advent calendar from Aldi. Seems like Fish is a fan so far. So I've been seeing a lot of videos of people doing the viral sock curl. I thought I would try it. Here they are. I'm going to the gym in the morning anyway, so I don't even know how this is gonna work. Like 9:47 right now, so I'm gonna go to bed and I will see you in the morning. Bye.